Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your ski and snowboard rental shop business. Suppose as the owner of ski and snowboard rental shop business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to manage bookings, handle rental returns and send weather updates. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your ski and snowboard rental shop business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type I want to book ski. After typing, you will see I am getting response. Hello and welcome to Alpine Age Rentals Ski and Snowboard Expert. I am your virtual assistant. How can I help you today? Now we have two options: book equipment, return rental. Simply click on book equipment. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Snowboard, ski. Now simply click on book now button. After clicking book now button, I am getting another response. To reserve your gear, please share your full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Please share date and time. Now simply enter date and time 25 May and time 10 am. After typing date and time, I am getting another message. Details, name test user, date and time. Now simply click on confirm. After clicking confirm, I am getting our last message. Thanks for choosing Alpine Age Rentals. Enjoy your ride and stay safe on the slope. Now we have an return rentals button. After clicking return rental, I am getting response. To return equipment, please share rental ID. Now I am typing XYZ. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Thank you. We'll confirm any additional charges or refund. Now we have a return option. Simply click on it. After clicking, I am getting our message. Thanks for choosing Alpine Age Rentals. Enjoy your ride and stay safe on the slope. So you will see I am getting responses. Now simply go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. Simply we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your ski and snowboard rental shop business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have an keywords and template section. With the help of both of them, we are also triggered our chatbot. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Hello and welcome to Applying Age Rental Ski and Snowboard Expert. I am your virtual assistant. How can I help you today? Now in this we also add buttons. Book equipment, return rental. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take question box and write a message on it. To return equipment, please share rental ID and select the contact custom field equipment. Also select the format, that is text format. When user click return rental button, then we will send over this message. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Thank you. Will confirm any additional charges or refund. Now simply connect this question box to this message box, and in this we also add return button. Now we take media button and simply upload the media which I already downloaded and enter the caption snowboard, and in this we also add book now button. Now we take another media box. In this we also upload media and enter the caption. In this we also add book now button. Now save the flow. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a name from user and select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this book now button to this question box. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a date and time from user. Please share date and time, and you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now select the contact custom field, date and time, and also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Details, name, date and time, and you will see I am using dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? When user enter their details, the dollar sign replace their details with full name and date and time. Now simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take text button and write our last message on it, and in this we also provide confirm button and simply connect this confirm button to this message box and return button to this message box. Now simply save the flow. If you want to increase your chat flow according to your needs, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard. Now simply type hello. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.